Our granddaughter wanted grandma's banana cake. So, but instead of making a banana cake, we are going to make a banana
chocolate chip.
muffin chocolate chip.
Banana chocolate chip muffin.
Banana chocolate chip muffin. I say it again, banana chocolate chip muffin. So then we have the baking soda, bicarb soda, the vanilla, and the banana, and the brown sugar, butter, egg, and sugar, buttermilk, and salt. Of course, the chocolate chips, and then the plain flour. So these are the ingredients that we will be using to make banana chocolate chip muffin. Yes, banana chocolate chip muffin, 2 mouthful. We shall show you how we are going to make this delicacy for our granddaughter. We are ready to make the banana chocolate chip muffin. And so we cut the 2 banana and remove the skin and mashing with hand mixture, and so that fully ripe banana shouldn't have any problem in mashing that. So that the first start in making this delicious muffin for our granddaughter, who always expects that grandma will make some muffin for her, banana muffin for her. So after mashing the banana, we are going to add the beaten 1 egg. We are just adding that beaten 1 egg and mix them, and so that more and more become creamy and pasty. Now we are going to add the half cup melted butter. So we are adding the half cup. So this is make sure that the banana is totally smashed and liquidized as much as possible, not watery, but is more thick and creamy. Now we are going to add the half a cup castor sugar, or sweet. That is what the banana muffin is always very popular among the children. So sweet and so nice, and every ingredient that I can see is very sweet. And so as you add the ingredient, that the banana will become more aromatic. And you can see, I can show you that, how that banana becomes like a little bit of condiment, or a little bit of gravy like, very sweet and very. So now we are going to add the half a cup the brown sugar. So we are adding the half a cup the brown sugar and mix them. Once you put that, mix them, beat them, and now the color is changing from yellow to the brown. Now we are going to add the 3 tablespoons of the buttermilk. And as you have seen so far, this is the making of the liquid base for the muffin that we are going to make. That is the banana chocolate chips muffin. And so far that we have not we are adding that now we are adding the vanilla. That's the first teaspoon and second teaspoon, so 2 teaspoons of vanilla that we have added. All these ingredients are basically the liquid base. Then mix them thoroughly, beat them thoroughly, and all creating a very aromatic flavor. Now we have made the wet ingredients, so you can see that how that liquidized and the liquid, so that's what we call wet. And we will mix the wet mix with dry mix that we will be making soon. Okay, now we are going to add the dry ingredient. That's 1.5 cup of self-rising flour. All-purpose, sorry, not self-rising, all-purpose flour. Then also we are going to add 1 teaspoon of the baking powder, and also that we are going to add once you add the baking powder, we will be adding the bicarb soda, and then that we will be adding half a teaspoon of bicarb soda to it, and we are adding that with that. Then once you add that, we will mix them. These are the making the dry ingredient. Okay, we are adding the 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we are mixing that, and once you add that, now we are adding the chocolate chips, 1 cup chocolate chip. So look at that, the chocolate chip mixed with the dry ingredient like a flour, baking soda, bicarbonate soda, salt. And so once you do that, what we are going to do is this is the important part of this process. We are going to mix the dry ingredient with add the dry ingredient to the wet ingredient, so make it more pasty like dough. So that's we have added all the, so we will be making that muffin dough mix. So that's that now we can call that as a muffin mix. Now all the wet and dry ingredients are mixed together. Now we thoroughly mix them. That is the muffin mix with the dry and wet ingredient and also chocolate chips. So look very great and ready to transfer to the muffin tray. And we have organized the muffin pockets, muffin pockets in a tray, muffin baking tray. or you can call it a muffin case. So that we are going to now, transfer the to transfer the muffin mix. Use a ice cream scooper, and then just add you don't need to add the full because it will raise, so that otherwise it will be very, so that we are adding that nearly 3/4 amount. So we will be making 12 muffins, and so we will repeat the process until we fill all the muffin cases. We have beautifully transferred the muffin mix to the muffin cases, and now we are placing the chocolate chips nicely, and so the oven is being preheated now. So then we will be once we finish the chocolate chip placing, we will be baking them for how long?
15 minutes.
Baking them for 15 minutes. We have preheated the oven at 180 degree, and so we anticipate it will be taken 15 minutes. So now we have completed the placing the chocolate chips. It look very beautiful, very attractive, very nice, colorful. So our banana chocolate chip muffin mix is ready for the baking now. I feel like actually just licking it away now, so but I'll wait for baking, and so let's do the baking. The banana chocolate chips muffin has been baked very nicely. You can see how that looking great and uniformly baked, and the chocolate chips are nicely placed and looking great, very artistic looking, and so the aroma is really good and full of sugar, and so I can take one and show you how this one really look like at a so look at that. Oh, you see, Marcy, look at the chocolate chip inside, and that is the banana chocolate chips muffin, or you call it chocolate chip banana muffin, and that's really great. Our granddaughter will specifically, she love it, she like this muffin, so we have made it. We are visiting her tomorrow. That's part of babysitting, and so thanks for watching this fantastic chocolate chip banana muffin making, and all the steps are in the video. And if you need any clarification, you can always put it on the put your question on the comments. And thanks again for watching this video. I appreciate your watching of our other videos of our channel, and also please subscribe to our channel if you wish to support us, and your support is important. We value your support. Thank you.